Okay, so this is Amanda. You're going to practice how you're going to ask your friend to prom, okay?
Jimmy. Will. You. Prom. Prom.
Okay, that's a good try. You could try it again. Let's try it again. Remember, the words are, Jimmy, will you go to prom? Try it again.
Jimmy.
Will, yeah. Remember, will is a helping verb.
Will.
You.
You.
Go. Go back to verbs. It's go.
Go. Through. Prom.
Okay.
Prom.
With. Yeah, you start with a W. Yeah. With.
With.
With who? Me. Okay. So let me hear your sentence.
Jimmy, will you go to prom with me?
So that's how you're going to ask him? Okay. Well, good luck.